Want to record phone calls on your iPhone? Here's how to turn on the new call recording feature step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General, followed by Software Update. This feature is part of the latest iOS update, so make sure your iPhone is up to date to iOS 26.1 or later before continuing. Once your iPhone is up to date, go back to the main settings screen and scroll all the way down. Tap Phone from the list of apps. Now, scroll down until you see Audio Call Recording and tap on it. Then simply toggle it on to enable call recording. Once that's done, open the phone app and make a call. During the call, tap More in the bottom left corner, then select Call Recording. You'll hear a short prompt letting everyone on the call know it's being recorded, and once that plays, the recording will begin automatically. To stop recording, just tap the square stop button or end the call normally. Afterward, your recorded call will be automatically saved in the Notes app. Open Notes, and you'll see an entry like Call with Name. You can play the recording or even view a transcript of the entire conversation. And that's it. You've successfully turned on and used call recording on your iPhone. If this helped, tap like, drop a comment if you've tried it, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.